So here we are standing in a home that we have under construction. Today we're going to be doing a blower door test because we're at the pre-drywall stage. So mechanicals in, framing's up, building envelope is more or less sealed, shy of getting sidings and so forth in. I'm standing here today with Chelsah from Sol Invictus Energy Services and Weldon from Greenstone, the ice panel manufacturer. We're just going to take some moments today and talk about the product and the pros and cons of everything we're doing. So Weldon, I got to ask the question, why should I buy ice panel?
Ice panel has a lot of great features to it that give a lot of long life to your project. Takes a lot of moisture concerns out of the equation, giving a very good energy efficient envelope with no thermal bridging and insulation that actually doesn't deteriorate over its lifetime.
Right, and is there things like, do we have concerns of fire? Do we have concerns of moisture getting in the wall? Is any of that a concern?
No, neither of them are. The EPS itself that we're using does not add fuel to the fire. It will melt when there's fire next to it, but it is not a fuel source. As far as moisture in the wall, EPS does not absorb any moisture. It's a non-permeable product, and even if there is moisture next to it, there is no mold growth, no rot or decay. It's a non-organic product, giving a very stable, long life.
So I got to ask the question, Weldon, why does the consumer even care if they have an ice wall from Greenstone versus a wood frame 2x6 wall?
Well, Greenstone provides the structure, very stable structure, actually also better than wood frame, but it also has a product that has, by reports, a 100-year lifespan. So talking about people that wanting to invest into a product that has a retained asset value, you look at Greenstone with a 100-year lifespan of a product.
Well, Weldon, that was great information, but we're going to move on to Chelsah. So Chelsah, she takes care of basically energy modeling our homes in the virtual world in a sense. So she's pre-analyzing what we've designed to determine what kind of energy consumption we are and to help guide us on things. And then quality assurance. So I'm going to let Chelsah explain the process of what she goes through and why that's beneficial to the consumer.
So I just want to make a point that Vleeming homes are being built to future requirements. So a home that is being built today is going to be what's required in 10 years for all new construction. So they're way ahead of the game here when it comes to the whole building envelope, windows, mechanical systems, and air tightness. So that's all the pieces that we put together when we're doing energy modeling. We want to look at the house as a system and the house as a whole in order to better understand how much energy it's using, how much energy it's conserving. It gives us an idea of how comfortable it is and how durable it is, of course, using the Greenstone products. What we're doing here today is we're testing the house to make sure that it is meeting Carlo's expected air tightness requirements as modeled, and as well, at the end of the day, this project will be labeled and third-party certified to show the consumer that it is performing exactly as intended.